Hello, I'm Frank. Some customers ask me, can you send me pictures and videos? I want to see real photos and videos, not stock pictures. I want to see that all my pictures and photos on my Instagram, on my YouTube, I take a record by myself. So it's true, it's real videos and actual photos you can see on my Instagram and YouTube channel. Also, some customers want me call her when I'm in warehouse. I want to see when I'm in warehouse, you will hear the machine through working. It's very noisy. I have to speak louder. If we take a video call, if we are on video call, it will be noisy and the video will not as flow as I take a record on camera. All my videos are posted on Instagram and YouTube channel. That's real video. I take a record. This part is packing part. Also, some customers ask me why use silver band, why use gold bands and some black band, different colors. What I want to say is the different colors band doesn't mean different quality. Some customers like silver, some customers like gold, some customers like black. It doesn't mean different quality. What you request, what we use, different color doesn't mean different quality. Prepare before shipping, before packing. I don't like shake the bundles as most seller. You will see nothing, just shake the bundles. Deep wave bundles. About packing, some customers want custom packaging. Some customers ask custom packaging, and the common packaging it is PVC bag that with the hook you can hook the bundles. For large orders, we will send out with a box.